Enabling two-factor authentication on Slack adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into Slack. Open your web browser or Slack app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner, then select Settings and Administration, followed by Manage Members or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. Click on it to view your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and click on Enable. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as an authentication app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Slack account, providing enhanced security.